Look at that boss baby. How cool is that? Have you ever seen any baby on his birthday being so calm? He's really a boss. So I think this theme suits exactly to the baby.
Welcome back to my channel at House Number 24. I am Usha. Today I am taking you all guys to one of the blog that is birthday party, simple, elegant, which touched me. So that is why I'm sharing this blog with you guys. So something that you can pick it from here. The menu was at TC Palya, Bangalore Movies Film Studio. It is a kind of a dramatic place. You will enjoy. We will explore sooner. This is my outfit which I picked it from Flipkart. Very comfortable, easy to wear. This is the overall look. We'll explore the beauty of the hall, and what they have done most is they have included a lot of activities for the kids, engage them and entertain them, and moreover birthday boy enjoy the birthday party. Very rarely we see them because they tend to get cranky and they will not be able to enjoy the first birthday, but this baby enjoyed like a boss baby. Yeah, so you can see sketching, some puzzle kind of games, so that the kids were all away from the parents and they were all enjoying their own world. So then elders also was there, parents and the elders also were able to enjoy the birthday party. That is something which I liked it, so that's why I'm sharing. When I was watching all the kids, they are so different, right? They are kids but still they're so unique themselves, they're so different. So yeah, when they are different and nature has made them so, we elders, parents being, we should not compare them, brag them with each other. So that's where we are going to do a big mistake. Anyways, there are a lot of things they are going to face when they go out. At least inside our home they should feel secure, safer. So we are the one who's going to protect them and help them grow stronger inside and outside. You know, right, outside what is the situation? They are going to face a lot of bullying in the school, colleges, bus stops, even in the office. They're not, so many kids are strong enough because in your house there would be something which is not safe for them to discuss those things. Come to you, tell mama, daddy, I'm going these things. They are not able to share openly. That open talks you should be starting. Tell your kid that you are there right next to them, wherever they are, whatever they are, you are going to accept them. Give a tight chappy and tell them, I'm there, you don't worry, all your problems are mine. So that is what you guys have to create. We have to create for our kids. So bully. And one more thing, if your kids are being a part of bullying, you please correct them right now and make them understand what's right or wrong, and help them being a supporting system if somebody is going through the bullying. So everybody is not strong, right? Some people will end them suiciding, some people will go for depression, some will turn out to be a big psycho. So we are the one who is responsible for some of the stuffs which is happening in the society. Be a part of change. Whatever that we can do from our end, let's do it. So if somebody is doing bully, correct them right there. Okay, so sorry, it just came into my mind, so I'm just sharing. If I bored you, please excuse me. Let's get into the party. So you can see there is a lot of kids playing, and they kept it very simple games, not that big games were complicated and they were not able to play or like lose interest. All the age group they have considered, they were games for all the age groups. So that is something, if you are planning, you can plan something like this. And this hall is so beautiful. It is in TC Palya. I'll put up the location in the description box. If somebody wants to go ahead and check out, you can go and check out. I also covered a top view of this hall as well. You can see and enjoy. To a decoration, they've kept very subtle, light, elegant colors and the decorative items. Not so many stuffs they've added. very simple one, so it is very pleasing to your eyes. Wherever you see, you can see they've matched according to the background and the color of the hall, and the decoration is done. They've not used lot of props and wasted things. It's very subtle, so it is an example using subtle things how you can make it elegant birthday decoration. That is something, you know, scored 100 out of 100. And look at this cute cake, very nice cute cake. I was not able to eat this cake. I was just holding in my hand and roaming around. Very cute, right? So you can also like plan something like this. And this is an overview from the top, so that gives an idea how big this hall is all when you were planning something. This is a place in the first floor. They were serving dinner, so it's a food area which has a washroom attached to it, and after you take your food, there is tables arranged where you can relaxedly enjoy your food. This is a is on dining. Goober serious ha okay. Amy food, right? They had both non-veg and veg, so I chose few items from veg and few from non-veg, and we enjoyed our dinner. So it's all done. We are signing off from this birthday party and heading towards our sweet home. So hope you guys also enjoyed this birthday party. I wish there is something that you can pick it from this video. If you like anything in this content, please like, share and subscribe. Stay connected. I'll see you in another video. Please go and check in my playlist according to your interest. Check out those videos. If you have anything as a feedback or thoughts, please comment me and let me know on this. Thank you. Bye bye.